Hello everyone, it's Colette, and for day 9 in my 12 Days of Christmas series, we're going to be working on this fiery scoop marble. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Peely Base. You can use whichever is your personal favorite. For the scoop marble, I'm going to be using Orly You Sherbet, as well as Embrace Danger and Oh Darling. And once I have the scoop marble applied, I'm going to be dragging through it using bottle service. I have a lid and I'm going to put out a somewhat large drop of the 3 colors, swirl them together, apply them on my nail, and then after that apply the gold with a smaller brush. I decided to add a gold flake taco on the skittle nails of the accent nail hand. And now I'm going to go ahead and do cleanup all around using a small brush dipped in acetone. Once the cleanup is complete, I'm going to finish everything off with the top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. I'm especially glad I added the gold flake on top of the skill nails to the accent hand. And I actually tested this manicure a few weeks ago when I did the purple and gold waterfall, and I liked it so much I wanted to save it for 12 days of Christmas. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time so you can have a better look at this gold. It's very sparkly and has a hint of holo. And if you'd like to see the extended tutorial for this, that's up now over on my VODs channel. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.